Hi, in this video we're going to talk about that how to display the current date and time with usage of JavaScript programming language. I will make a simple example with a usage of a function. Let's make an HTML file. Let's use title display date. And let's make a function. We're going to call our function display date. Our function will not have any parameters. And what we want to do is to display information about our current date and time to some HTML element. For example, I'm gonna use paragraph, so I want to display here information about our current date and time. So I want to get this element, for example, by ID. I don't have ID here right now, but I'm gonna put ID show or display date. Okay, let's make it show date, for example, and time. So we want to get this element and we want to change its inner HTML. So let's change its inner HTML with information about date. So we want to create JavaScript date instance which let us work with dates and times. So I'm gonna make date object and assign it to our paragraph here. Okay. And when we want to call our function, we want to call it, for example, when someone clicks to a button that he wants to see current date and time. So we're going to make a button and use onClick for onClick event. So when someone clicks to our button, we're going to call this function. So on click, we're going to display date and our button will have show or display date. It doesn't matter. Display, maybe show date. For our example to be more readable inside this editor, but you can put display date name that describes your button. Okay, now I'm gonna save this HTML file and now I want to run it. And now we have a button show date, and when I click to that show date button, then we're going to call display date function, and display date function is gonna change our inner HTML of this paragraph, and inside it will put information about current date and time. Okay, let's see it. And as you can see, information about current date and time is being displayed to our web page. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You could also check out for my other videos on this YouTube channel. That's all for now. See ya.